today I would like to share a few thoughts about interpretation services. If you need to arrange for interpretation services, there are two options. You can search for interpreters and an equipment provider on your own, or you can opt for the services of translation services provider. Today I would like to say a few words about why it might be advantageous to choose the latter option. First of all, ordering interpreting services from a translation services provider will be both easier and faster. A professional translation services provider will make sure everything is arranged and taken care of. All you need to do is to specify the date, time and event venue, as well as the language pair in which the interpreting will be needed. A project manager will ask for any additional required information, and there will be quite a lot of them, so don't be surprised. We'll ask you about the nature and subject of the meeting or event. We'll ask you about the number of participants and the number of individuals who will require the interpretation, the time frame in which the interpreters should be available, whether the conference and interpretation will be recorded, broadcasted or live streamed. All those details are important to arrange the perfect interpretation. The PM will advise you on which type of interpretation will be optimal for you depending on the nature of your event. That might be consecutive or liaison or simultaneous or whispered interpretation. The project manager will determine whether equipment will be needed for the interpreting, and if necessary, he or she will take care of all the technical details, so you don't have to worry about anything, such as the sound system, such as the interpreter's booth placement, so they can see the presentation projected, or the assembly or disassembly of the equipment. PM will think about number and type of microphones and other details. The coordinator will also be in touch with you to inform you about all the arrangements taken care of. Secondly, quality is always guaranteed by employing the services of the professional translation services provider. If you choose a professional, trustworthy translation agency, you can be sure that they will select the best interpreters for your conference or for your meeting. The agency has its own database of specialists in various language combinations who have passed a diligent recruitment process, who have required experience and confirmed qualifications. An experienced interpretation coordinator will know which interpreter will be the most suitable for a given subject or a given type of event. Large translation services providers work with interpreters from all over Poland or even all over continent, and if possible they will select translators from the local area, minimizing your cost of interpreter transportation, interpreter accommodation, per diems, etc. Using a translation agency does not always mean higher costs. It is important to remember that it saves your time and gives you the peace of mind. You will not have to worry about details of the interpretation, and you will not need to monitor everything yourself. So let us do our job. We'll tell you more about these details and how to organize the perfect interpretation in the next video. We invite you to follow our profile on social media, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, and please visit our website at www.bireta.pl. Thank you very much, and I hope we'll see you during our next short movie about interpretation. Thank you.